Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLB 250 4MATIC for sale. This vehicle comes in a black exterior. We have a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, power memory heated seats for both driver and passenger, door controls, driver's seat with lumbar support, steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle currently at 14,284. Rear seats, and quick peek here up at the front of the vehicle. And come around to the back, we've got our GLB 250 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk, some nice new all-weather mats for you, push button to close there. And let's go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. Do a push button ignition. And here is our Mercedes-Benz display. Currently showing our radio, backup camera. And below that we have our climate controls. And cup holders, command module for making adjustments on the display, and our shifter. Now, if you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.